Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Genesis Basecamp system is probably one of the most versatile and robust solutions for anyone looking to elevate their outdoor adventures, offering a seamless blend of comfort, functionality, and durability that transforms any campsite into a home away from home, ensuring you're always prepared for whatever the wilderness throws your way. Number 5. Hike Crew Portable Propane Water Heater. Introducing a revolutionary portable water heater, perfect for all your outdoor adventures. This innovative system uses propane to heat water for showering, washing dishes, and more. Enjoy comfortable showers anywhere with our easy-to-use temperature control knob and adjustable spray patterns. It provides a convenient and refreshing experience. Get instant hot water wherever you are. Connect it to an outlet or your car's cigarette lighter for power, making it ideal for camping, fishing, and hiking. Safety is paramount. Our smart technology automatically shuts off the gas when the water reaches the desired temperature, ensuring peace of mind. This travel-friendly heater comes with all necessary adapters and accessories in a handy carry bag. It's designed for ultimate portability and convenience. What we like. This portable water heater provides instant hot water for showering and cleaning on the go. It features automatic safety shutoff and multiple spray patterns for a comfortable experience. If you're looking for a convenient way to enjoy hot showers while camping or hiking, this is a great option. What people say. It does an excellent job heating the water. One night, we accidentally left the lid off and kept the heater running. To my surprise, I woke up to a 95 degrees Fahrenheit pool in mid-March, despite daytime temperatures around 58 degrees Fahrenheit and overnight lows in the high 40s low 50s. That was very impressive. The design is simple and user-friendly, just a power button and a start button. You will need a propane adapter to connect it to a standard 20 pounds propane tank, which I highly recommend because those small camping propane bottles won't last long. With a 20 pounds tank, you can heat the pool for days. The water can get very hot, so be cautious and set up the temp for kiddos. The heater's ignition does stop and start like it's supposed to when you shut the water off and on. When the water jug is emptied, the burner quit like it's supposed to. Number 4. Jetboil Genesis Basecamp Backpacking and Camping Stove. Introducing the Jetboil Genesis Basecamp, the perfect companion for all your outdoor culinary adventures. This versatile system redefines camp cooking, making it easier than ever to prepare delicious meals wherever you go. Experience the convenience of a portable dual-burner stove. It works perfectly on its own or can be connected to other compatible stoves for an expanded cooking setup. Plus, all the necessary cookware is included. From a gentle simmer to a rolling boil, you have complete control over your cooking. This system is designed to handle everything from simple snacks to gourmet creations with its adjustable flame. Don't let the weather stop you. Each burner delivers a powerful 10,000 BTUs, capable of boiling water in just over 3 minutes. It even performs reliably in cold conditions down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. When it's time to pack up, the burners conveniently fold and nest inside the cookpot. This compact design saves valuable space, making it easy to fit into your backpack for any adventure. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: a 2-burner stove, a non-stick fry pan, a large pot with a strainer lid, a windscreen, and a fuel regulator. It's compatible with standard propane canisters, so you're ready to cook right away. What we like. This dual-burner stove offers powerful cooking capabilities with adjustable flame control, perfect for preparing meals in the outdoors. Its compact design allows for easy packing and transport. If you enjoy cooking gourmet meals at your campsite and need a versatile cooking solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The Genesis Basecamp system is incredibly versatile, allowing for multiple configurations to suit different camping needs. Setup is surprisingly straightforward, even for first-time users, thanks to the intuitive design and clear instructions. The integrated lighting system is a game-changer, providing ample illumination after dark without the need for separate lanterns. Number 3. Jetboil 5L FluxRing Camping Pot. Introducing the Jetboil 5-liter FluxRing Camping Pot. It's designed to help you prepare larger meals for your entire group, perfect for dishes like rice, pasta, or even a pot roast. The included lid features a built-in strainer. This makes it easy to pour out liquids and allows steam to escape efficiently during cooking. Thanks to its FluxRing technology and hard anodized aluminum construction, it delivers incredibly efficient boiling times. This is achieved even with its generous large capacity. Move the pot safely from your stove to the table with its insulated handles. The protective coating ensures you won't burn your hands. This pot is optimized for use with Jetboil Genesis and half-gen cook stoves. They nest snugly within the pot for convenient storage and transport. Your purchase includes the pot, a strainer lid, and a protective skirt. It measures 10 inches in diameter and 6 inches tall, weighing just 32.9 ounces. What we like. This large 5-liter pot is designed for preparing bigger meals for groups, featuring efficient FluxRing technology for quick boiling times. The insulated handles make it easy to move around the campsite. If you're camping with family or friends and want to cook substantial meals, this pot is an excellent choice. What people say. The Genesis Basecamp system is incredibly versatile, allowing for multiple configurations to suit different camping needs. The integrated lighting system is a standout feature, providing ample illumination for cooking and setting up camp after dark. Setup is surprisingly straightforward, even for a first-time user, thanks to the intuitive design and clear instructions. Number 2. Jetboil Genesis Basecamp Cooking System Storage Bag. Tote your Genesis Basecamp cooking system into the backcountry with this travel bag. It's designed to keep everything protected and easy to carry. This bag is made to store all the components of your Genesis cooking system. It fits the stove, flux pot, fry pan, and regulator. Packing is simple thanks to the wraparound zipper that opens the bag wide. The comfortable handle fits snugly in your hand for easy transport. Keep your stove components safe with side cushioning. This pattern provides protection for all parts of your cooking system. Measuring 11 by 9 inches and weighing just 9.7 ounces, this bag is compact and lightweight. It's easy to bring along on any adventure. What we like. This storage bag is specifically designed to protect and organize your Genesis Basecamp cooking system components. Its padded walls and wraparound zipper make packing and carrying simple. If you've invested in a Genesis system and want to keep it safe and easily transportable, this bag is a must-have. What people say. The bag has a top pocket where I was able to store the power cord and pan handle. The material of the bag is very good quality and the double carry handles feel sturdy as well. This larger bag, for the set, fits my upgraded pot, pan and the Genesis stove. Fits the complete system just perfectly. Number 1. Jetboil Luna Satellite Side Burner. Introducing the Luna Satellite Side Burner, an innovative addition to your outdoor cooking setup. It seamlessly connects to your existing JetLink fuel system, expanding your cooking capabilities without needing extra fuel or regulators. Effortlessly prepare meals for your group with its rapid heating system. You can boil water in just over 2 minutes, perfect for that morning coffee or preparing your next meal. Starting your cooking flame is as simple as pushing a button. The integrated regulator valve offers precise control over fuel flow, allowing for gradual adjustments and perfect simmering. Designed for convenience, its low-profile form factor packs neatly inside various Jetboil cooking cups. This makes it an ideal companion for any camping or backpacking trip. This package includes the Luna Satellite Burner, a JetLink hose, and instructions. It weighs just 6.8 ounces and features a 10-inch hose for versatile placement. Remember to always use it outdoors in a well-ventilated space. What we like. This satellite side burner expands your cooking range, allowing for quick heating of water and food preparation. It features a push-button igniter and precise simmer control for versatile cooking. If you already have a compatible Jetboil stove and want to increase your cooking capacity and efficiency, this burner is a great addition. What people say. The Genesis Basecamp system is incredibly versatile, allowing for multiple configurations to suit different camping needs. Setup is surprisingly straightforward, even for a first-time user, thanks to the intuitive design and clear instructions. The build quality is excellent, with durable materials that feel like they will last for many seasons of use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.